everybody, I'm meteorologist Kyle Pickens with your SWX weather update. And as we take a look across the region, you see all this white here? That's just the satellite confusing really cold air for clouds. It does that every now and then, and it's doing that right now. So no real issues with cloud cover. And we're not seeing much in the way of cloud cover moving our way as we go through tonight and until we get to the end of the daytime hours tomorrow. But until then, not much going on. Should see a pretty decent day for New Year's Eve. Couple of issues there. Those winds are going to stay pretty breezy. In fact, they're going to strengthen as we go through tonight. So brutal wind chills in the 30 to 40 below range. Definitely within the realm of possibilities as we go through tonight and into New Year's Eve. Blowing snow because of that. Also likely to be an issue. In fact, some places could see visibility reduced to around half a mile because of that blown snow. So that'll be something you want to look at as we go through tonight and then the day on Wednesday. Wednesday, these winds should calm down just a little bit, but it's still going to be cold. It's still going to be windy, which means really bad wind chills. Might see a few snow showers New Year's Day, but other than that, no real issues until we get to the weekend. Friday night, Saturday, when this next system moves down out of Canada. That's our next big chance for widespread snowfall across the area. Lows overnight going to Wednesday morning below zero for the most part. Again, wind chills because of those wind, blowing snow. Those are going to be the main problems as we go through tonight and into the day on Wednesday. Highs on Wednesday, though, not too bad compared to where we have been. 20s, and here's a look at the rest of the week on the Color 8-day forecast. Should see mid-30s by the end of the week before that next system moves through, bringing more snow and much colder air.